Hi guys, on this short quick video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat messages. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the app, scroll until you find Snapchat. Click on it, click here on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache. Go back and now click on this open by default option. Click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. Now go back to the settings on your phone and go to the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.